Erik Olson here. Happy New Year from Safe and Soft. A little bit of trivia for you. Only 9% of people successfully keep their New Year's resolutions. 23% of people quit by the end of the first week, and 64% after the first month. So if you have some goals, stay strong. Our goal here is to provide you with a knock your socks off service experience. So if you ever need our services, we hope you'll choose us for an outstanding experience. Say no to soggy socks. Here's a reminder of what we can do for you. Carpet cleaning, obviously, but also carpet stretching and repair. Very popular these days to give your carpet a facelift if it's all wrinkly. Then there's carpet bleach spot dyeing. Yes, that's a thing. You spill bleach and we can dye it back. And we also do upholstery cleaning, tile and grout, hardwood floor cleaning, and we hope to see you this next year and keep your carpets and floors looking their best. Thank you for choosing Safe and Soft as your trusted floor care company. All the best in the year ahead.